All right. Yeah, so let's start with this video. How to start your own voice AI agency in 2026 powered by Bodybox AI. So if you want to start a voice AI agency in 2026, must watch the video till the end because in this video you're going to learn properly how you're going to build whole voice AI agency. So first of all, who I am to tell you this, this is Yadunath. I'm the founder and CEO of Vertivox AI, a voice AI infrastructure platform built for businesses. So this is our website here. You can check. We are working with the clients in Dubai, India, US, UK, and Canada. All right. So yeah, this is what we are doing. So let's talk about how to start a voice AI agency in 2026. Let's get started. The $35 billion opportunity no one is talking about. Okay, so I have took all the data from here, which is like statistical data. Okay, the global voice AI agent market is valued at 2.4 billion in 2024 and projected to hit like 47.5 billion by 2034. Okay, and the compound annual growth rate is 34.8%, and you can see mostly like what kind of it is like dominating. If I tell you the major figure which are like it is just growing every single day, you can just compare, okay, where it's heading in the future. So if I go over here, then you will get to see that most of the Y Combinator startups are uh, into voice AI thing. I am unable to find that line. I mean, there was a line over here. Okay. Yeah. 22% of Y Combinator's latest cohort is building voice first AI companies. That means venture capital studios are investing into this thing. That means it's gonna grow. Okay. So your goal is to build a niche focused AI business. Okay, your goal should be to build a niche focused AI business in 2026. Whether you want to build it from India, or in any country, no matter what. Okay, Vertiworks or every single country. Okay, so yeah, this was the statistical data you can see. And if I talk about what is a voice AI agency, it's quite simple. You help businesses to integrate voice AI agentic systems under your own brand name. You are not a freelancer anymore. You are a business owner with recurring revenue and your own platform. So core services voice AI agency offers. First is lead qualification. You automate the lead qualification. I mean, you can automate any kind of voice communication. All right, these are the kind of some services that you can offer. AI SDRs, automated outbound sales or representatives you would be developing using AI, and customer support and automation, as well as AI receptionist. So these are the services that you would be selling to loads and loads of type of businesses. So let's talk about what kind of niches you should look after if you're starting your own voice AI agency. So top five markets I mentioned. Okay, first is solo real estate agents. Okay, I have worked with lots and lots of real estate agents. So what problem they face? They face a problem of constant lead follow up as well as instant lead qualification. If they are off hours or they are in weekends, and if they receive any kind of inquiry, so they can't connect to them in the weekends or in an or like office hours. Okay, so second is home services, which is in which like I have started reaching out, which is HVAC, plumbing, roofing, landscaping. What you can give them, you can just give them a system to never miss a call, because if they are missing any kind of inbound call, they are uh, like kind of losing their job. All right, their potential client they would be losing. Okay, third is dental and medical clinics, automobile dealerships, e-com businesses. You can provide a full system to e-com businesses. Like there are lots of things that you can sell. Okay, we'll discuss in those in later videos what kind of voice AI solutions you can sell. Okay, and if I go over here, why clients are ready but were not before. Okay, Clients are ready right now, but they were not before. Earlier, what was like happening, why this is the best time, I mean. Okay, earlier voice AI was clunky, high latency, robotic, and clients got burned and grew skeptical. But now in 2026, ultra low latency is there, human like voices are there, and conversations, like kind of clients can't distinguish the normal conversation and the AI conversation easily. Okay, so awareness is growing fast, but most markets are still wide open. First movers win the long term game. Okay, so yeah, why you need to build need your own platform. Okay, as I discussed earlier that you need to build it your on your own platform, not Vapi or retail. Why most of the people are selling voice AI solutions or Vapi and retail are gonna broke? The reason is simple. Vapi and retail are shared platforms locked into their pricing, their brand, and their limits. You can't charge $300 per month and still be profitable in Vapi. Whereas, if I talk about on your own platform, you would be charging clients by how much time you're saving for them and how much revenue you're generating for them and how much cost you're reducing for them. Because every single time the pricing would be different. The pricing would be different in case of how much time you're saving for them, how much revenue you're generating for them, and how much money you are saving for them. Okay, so built on ownership, I mean, if you'll have own voice AI platform, then you would be owning that, not reselling someone else's tool, your margins and your brand and your business. So this is how Vertiworks AI platform looks like. Here you can see. Okay, this is how it looks like. This is the UI. Here you can have your own logo, every kind of like logo. Your own logo is like acceptable over here, your own domain as well. Okay, so this is our website. Okay, and if I go over here and let's go to another slide. Okay, what kind of like systems we would be offering to you? So if I talk about the Vertiworks AI white level infrastructure partner program, then what are the details basically? So Vertiworks AI offers you full infrastructure to launch your voice AI platform under your own agency name without writing a single line of code. So we would be just giving you a white label infrastructure. Okay, which you can launch under your own brand name. You can also earn per minute margins that no one is giving, like kind of. Okay, I will also be discussing loads and loads of things that we are giving with this infrastructure. Zero tech build required. You don't need anything basically. Okay, so if I go over here, yeah, yeah. So there are two simple plans to get started. Number one is you'll have to pay $60 per month to get the infrastructure. You'll get the full infrastructure of Vertiworks AI where you can manage unlimited clients, as many clients you want, and you would be charged a 2 rupee per minute infrastructure cost per minute. It is apart from the voice cost that you'd be getting, almost like you'd be getting 11 laps voices for kind of 7 to 8 rupees per minute, or kind of it depends as like on telephony costing as well. Okay, but you'd be charged 2 rupee per minute infrastructure cost. Okay, from our side, Vapi charges around 5 rupee per minute infrastructure cost. Okay, here would be saving a bit, but in $100 per month plan you would be getting everything in infrastructure plus our course content where we would be teaching you how to sell voice AI agents to niches. These niches like HVAC, plumbing, whatever niche you want to jump into. Okay, and we would be like building acquisition systems, like how you can do, like it's not done for you basically, done for you. We do this done for you thing, but this is gonna be additional. But yeah, we'll be doing done with you kind of thing, or we would be teaching you to build your acquisition systems. Okay, we would be teaching you like how to close clients, how to get appointments, every single thing, what solution to sell, what should be the pricing, all these things. and this is going to be limited time pricing. Book a call. Okay, so you get it as fast as possible. Okay, and I would be also creating the free source over here as well, so don't worry. So this is the pricing model. You can charge like based on time, revenue, cost, and yeah, this is like $1,500 per month. Most of the people are charging, but if you're thinking like I would charge $1,500, then you're gonna fail, because you won't be able to charge, because maybe you can charge right now, but after a few months you won't be able to charge because competition is rising. Okay, so it depends what kind of service you're selling. Okay, you can charge that much amount of money as well, but for the most cases you would be charging $300 a month from your client, because not every business has that much volume of calls. Okay, and yeah, you would be also going through like for custom pricing, like these kind of four models of like pricing are there. First is based on time, cost, and revenue, and first is and another is $300 a month. Your if your clients had very less call volume, which is like very less call volume. I mean less than 10 hours of consumption every single month. Then you can sell it for $300 every single month. And if there is like some different like complex infrastructure, then you can charge $1,500 every single month. Okay, it depends basically. It's just a random pricing. It could be anything. Okay, so how to land your first clients? There are multiple systems which you can just put in together to get clients. First is call email systems. I would be also teaching you in that course, and I would be also creating some free stuff out there on cold email soon. And DM systems like LinkedIn system, Instagram DM systems, WhatsApp systems, which works in India. Cold calling, how you can just use your AI to call to clients. Okay, I'm not talking about manual cold calling. Okay, inbound system like how to create content, all these things. You would be getting full sales training like up to full potential on our that $100 plan, where you would be getting the infrastructure as well as the course. And what you would be getting in the infrastructure, everything that you have seen over here, everything you would be getting. Okay, everything like the same dashboard you would be getting like that, and you can add your own logo, own agency branding. Okay, and yeah, that's it. But you'll have to buy domain separately, and website you'll have to build separately. But if you want that we build it for you, then yeah, we can definitely build it for you by charging some extra bucks out there. Okay, yeah, so this was the source that like source link of the report. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. Let's give you some demo of this agent. I have built multiple ton of agents. Like if I go over here into this appointment reminder uh agent. Okay, here you can see it we have US number available, we have Indian number available, and we have number available of every single country out there. Okay, I'm just going to show you it with the US number. Let's make a call and just show you the demo of how it's working right now. So I've received the call.
Hi, this is Olivia calling from Jerome Wade's team. I'm just calling to remind you about your upcoming discovery call scheduled for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Did I catch you at a good time?
Yes.
I just wanted to make sure you still have the appointment on your calendar and see if you're still planning to attend.
Yes, I'm definitely planning to attend it.
Perfect. We're looking forward to speaking with you. Do you have any questions before the meeting?
Not right now.
Wonderful. Thank you for your time today.
Okay, this is how it sounds like. You have multiple options. If we go over here in the audio, you have 11 labs, Cartesia, GPT real time, server AI, Vertiworks. Okay, we would be adding some more models over here. You have multiple voices to select them, so everything is customizable. And if you face any kind of technical issue, you'll get the number of technical team. They just can respond you very fast. Okay, they are just going to solve your query. All right. Okay, So this is the system. This is how you start a voice AI agency in 2026. And yeah, this was the whole thing. This was the whole ideation I have shared with you. Why you should start your own platform. Like, it's very important to start your own platform. Okay, you can't rely on third party AI platforms like Webp, Retail, and all these things. Okay, so yeah, this was in this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.